Happy Monday, everybody. It's Bonnie Hunter in the Quiltville studio. And my diamond tile quilt top is all webbed together. All the rows are sewn. All are connected with the chaining threads between the rows. So all that is left for me today is to sew these rows together. It's as simple as folding one row over the other, matching seams, and stitching across. Now, if that feels like too big of an unwieldy job to some, you could cut the chaining threads maybe about here and assemble the quilt in smaller sections. But for something like this, where it's nested seam to nested seam, this is how I roll. Keeping it together this way helps me not get things turned around and out of place. Afternoon from the Quiltville studio. I am continuing to assemble my diamond tiles quilt top. What you can see here is I've got the bottom half still webbed together with the long seams as of yet unsewn. I like how my foot is there straightening things as I do this. Okay, and the top half I have already assembled by simply flipping one row over the next and stitching the long seams across. Pin where necessary and only where necessary, and then pressing in between the rows. So this is going to come together fairly quickly, and then I'll be on to figuring out what to do with borders. I hope everybody's having a lovely day.